This 2024 KZ Connect SE221RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, LP detector, auxiliary battery, oven, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 KZ Connect SE221RE is 5,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.